To go ahead and let's make a Mississippi pot roast salmon. You know, Chicago's got their own Italian beef, so why can't we have something like that? So let's make one, and let's make it the best. And the culprits and ingredients that we're going to use in this big old sandwich are as follows: 2.5 pound chuck roast, salt, pepper, and garlic. We also have ranch seasoning. We got beef broth cubes, pepperoncini peppers, a half a stick of butter, and just Jew gravy in a crock pot style of Mississippi pot roast. You would just use the Jew and use ranch and the butter and just put it in there and let it go with it, okay? Because crock pot normally makes its own stuff. We're going to be braising this though. We're going to have in the oven. We're going to go ahead and set that oven for about 300 degrees, and we're going to let him roll in there for about 4.5 to 5 hours on that note. So that's what the beef broth's for. We're going to intensify the Jew with more Jew. So first things first, let's get that oven on 300 degrees. Let's go ahead and get this pot right here. Go ahead and get it hot. Next thing, let's get this meat rubbed. Salt, pepper, and garlic. Get it all put in real well like that right there. All the way around, all four sides, baby. Don't let none that season escape. Now that, just coat it up real nice and pretty. Let's get it browned up. All right, here we go. That way he gets a good sear on him. We're going to sear it all the way around. Now we're only going to do it about a minute and a half a side. See? All we want to do is get that crust started. There we go. I think he's looking pretty good. What y'all think? Okay, let's get this going. We're gonna need 6 cups. Water, that's the first 3. 6 cups, 6 cubes, half a stick of butter. Right, time to intensify our au jus with more jus. There's some of that ranch. 1 jar of the pepperoncini peppers. You know, the little buggers out. Come on. Here we go. Kick it back up to high. Let's get it up to a boil. Let's get all this good stuff mixed around. Good. While that's coming to a boil, I'll go ahead and just explain it real fast. This style is called the braising method. Usually it's got just a little bit that's still not covered with liquid. He's got just a little bit, about that, just not covered up. We're gonna keep him uncovered while we cook him. Therefore, it's going to evaporate a little bit more. That au jus, all that good juices and everything is going to intensify down real good. So it's going to make real good on that sandwich. Calm down, calm down. There we go. All right, he's got hot enough. He's boiling. He's in the stove, in the oven. We'll see y'all in about 4.5 hours. Oh yeah. Next step in the process. He's gonna sit just like that, and that's the way he's gonna be. I'm gonna let him just sit over there and just chill out for the next hour. Just relax. Okay. He's gonna be great here in just a little bit. Okay, time to get this bad boy out. The best way we can. Reminds me of that old song. Every time I fall into pieces. Fat part came off real good. Oh yeah. Alright. That's him. Now, let's get to shredding that bit of goodness right there. Ooh, watch this, watch this, watch this. Falls to pieces. That is money. Come here. Can't y'all tell y'all about it just yet. Okay. After we got it all good and shredded up real nice, right back in here. Now that we got all that done, it's time to make ourselves a sandwich. Oh yeah, got that good toasted French bread. Pile on that beef rachanda. Oh yeah. I got me a couple pickles, a couple pepperoncinis on here, a little bit of warmth, and that pickle to do some cutting on that fat. And that is him right there. Got me some of that jus right there, as if it's not already gonna be juicy enough. Oh yeah, watch this. He did just right. I think Mississippi just got itself a brand new sandwich, baby. Remember, always have a good time when you're cooking and good eating, because this right here, damn it, boy, it's good. I'm gonna go ahead and just wanted to say thank you and a big shout out to Bulley's Lodge in Caledonia, Mississippi. They're the ones who hooked me up with that awesome chuck roast today for us to do this entire recipe. I couldn't have done it without them. Appreciate the support. Always go local when you can. Peace.